Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter S. Capital S, little s. What words begin with S? Sun, S-U-N. The word sun begins with the letter S. I like to sit outside and enjoy its warmth. The sun shines on the ocean. Sailboat, S-A-I-L-B-O-A-T. Sailboats use the wind to propel themselves across water. The sailboat floated on the ocean. Seahorse, S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. These strange animals move about using fins on their head and back. When they want to stay put, they grab a reed or stalk with their curled tail. The seahorse swam in the ocean. What sound does the letter S represent? S. Can you say S? Very good. S, the 19th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.